Hi everyone. Recently, we have introduced support for Apache Parquet files to our ETL software Advanced ETL process. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to import data from a sample Parquet file into SQL Server. I have already created source directory, which holds Parquet file sample and database connection to SQL Server database. Let's start from creating new transformation group. We call it imports. Next step is to create new transformation with Parquet to SQL Server. We are deleting the validator because there is nothing to validate. So what we need to do now, we need to set up reader properties, source. We need to say that it is Parquet and select the file. Here's the file. It has 1000 rows. Setting up writer properties so connection with SQL Server. Name is demo. Table name is people. What we also would like to do, we want to truncate it. Key table. Yes, that's better. And let's do the mapping. So we just use automap because we like automation. That's the idea. We're not setting the date format for this field because it is already in the format we need. And we are ready to run. Just press the green arrow. It's all done, and as you can see, it's nearly 100,000 records per second, which is not too bad. Sometimes it could be any faster because Parquet is extremely efficient way of storing the data. Therefore, it is very fast to work with. Okay, I hope you will find this tutorial useful. If you have any questions or suggestions, please go to our support forum and ask them. And as usual, we'll do our best to help you. And of course, please like and subscribe. Thank you. Bye.